DJI Pocket 4 Pro just changed the entire conversation around pocket cameras. Now, with the Pocket 4 Pro introducing a dedicated 3x telephoto lens, DJI finally solved the biggest weakness the Pocket lineup had for almost 8 years. But here's the real question. Does that automatically make the Pocket 4 Pro better than the regular Pocket 4? Or is the standard Pocket 4 still the smarter choice for most people? That's where things get interesting. Because on paper, the Pocket 4 Pro looks unstoppable. Dual cameras, native telephoto, better portraits, improved dynamic range, D-Log 2, more professional shooting capabilities. It sounds like the dream upgrade creators were waiting for. But once you actually start comparing both cameras side by side, the answer becomes much less obvious. The regular DJI Pocket 4 is still an incredibly powerful camera. In many situations, it actually makes more sense than the Pro model, and depending on how you shoot, you might not even need that extra telephoto lens at all. The biggest difference between the two cameras is obvious the moment you turn them on. The Pocket 4 keeps the classic single-lens setup DJI has used for years. It focuses on simplicity: one sensor, one lens, one shooting style. Fast, lightweight, reliable. The Pocket 4 Pro, meanwhile, completely changes the formula with a second telephoto lens capable of native 3x optical zoom and up to 12x total zoom range. And honestly, the difference this creates in real-world shooting is massive. Wide-angle cameras have always struggled with portraits. You have to get close to people, and when you do that, faces start stretching unnaturally. Noses look larger, backgrounds feel far away, and the entire image starts feeling flat. That's why so many creators still relied on phones or mirrorless cameras whenever they wanted cinematic portrait shots. The Pocket 4 Pro changes that instantly. That 3x lens creates a much more natural perspective. Faces look balanced, backgrounds compress beautifully. Subjects separate from the environment naturally without looking fake. Suddenly, this tiny pocket camera starts producing shots that actually resemble footage from larger professional cameras. And once you notice it, it becomes very hard to go back. Food shots are another perfect example. On the regular Pocket 4, you often need to move extremely close to make the subject fill the frame. That creates distortion around the edges and sometimes makes objects look stretched or warped. With the Pocket 4 Pro, you can stand comfortably farther away and still get tight cinematic framing with soft background blur. Coffee cups look more premium. Product shots look cleaner. Street food scenes suddenly feel cinematic instead of casual. That's the real power of telephoto lenses. It's not just zoom, it's compression, depth, layering, and perspective. And DJI clearly understood that this time. What makes the Pocket 4 Pro even more impressive is how well DJI integrated the telephoto lens into the entire system. This doesn't feel like a gimmick lens added for marketing. The tracking still works even while zoomed in. The stabilization remains surprisingly smooth, and switching between focal lengths feels seamless enough that you genuinely start shooting differently. You stop thinking like a smartphone user and start thinking more like a cinematographer. One shot becomes a wide establishing scene, the next becomes a tight emotional portrait. Then suddenly you're grabbing compressed landscape shots that would have been impossible on older Pocket models. The regular Pocket 4 simply cannot create the same visual variety. But here's the twist. Simplicity still matters, and this is where the standard Pocket 4 fights back. The Pocket 4 is lighter, more balanced, and easier to carry for long periods. Once DJI added the second lens to the Pro version, the camera became slightly top-heavy. It's not terrible, but you notice it, especially during longer handheld sessions. DJI includes the extension handle and mini tripod to improve grip balance, and honestly, they help a lot. But the regular Pocket 4 still feels cleaner and more comfortable overall. Battery life is another important difference. The telephoto lens on the Pocket 4 Pro demands more from the gimbal motors because stabilization becomes harder at longer focal lengths. Tiny shakes become more visible, so the motors constantly work harder to compensate. That extra processing and stabilization power drains battery faster than the regular Pocket 4. If you're someone who shoots all day while traveling, that matters more than people think. And then there's low light performance. This is where the comparison becomes surprisingly close again. The Pocket 4 Pro has an upgraded 1.5-inch sensor with excellent dynamic range. In daylight, it looks fantastic. Highlights stay controlled, shadows retain detail, and scenes with difficult lighting look incredibly polished. In some situations, it genuinely rivals larger cameras. But the telephoto lens itself still struggles more at night compared to the main lens. There's less light entering the lens, so noise becomes more visible in darker scenes. The regular Pocket 4, focusing entirely on its main sensor performance, sometimes ends up being more reliable for casual nighttime shooting. So even though the Pro model is technically more advanced, it doesn't dominate every category. And honestly, that makes this comparison way more interesting. For vloggers who mostly film themselves walking around cities, talking to the camera, or capturing casual travel moments, the standard Pocket 4 might actually be the smarter choice. It's easier to handle, lasts longer, and still delivers fantastic image quality with DJI's famous stabilization. But for creators who care about cinematic framing, portraits, storytelling, product shots, and professional-looking visuals, the Pocket 4 Pro enters an entirely different category. This is the first pocket camera that genuinely feels capable of replacing parts of a mirrorless workflow. That sounds dramatic, but after seeing the telephoto footage, it's hard not to think that way. Even the portrait processing feels noticeably upgraded. DJI seems to prioritize faces more intelligently now, adjusting exposure and skin tones in ways that avoid looking overly artificial. The beautification effects are subtle enough that people still look real. Skin texture remains visible. Shadows stay natural. It doesn't have that over-processed smartphone look that destroys detail. And because the telephoto lens naturally creates background blur optically, the shots feel far more authentic than fake portrait modes. The regular Pocket 4 still produces excellent-looking people shots, but side by side, the Pro version consistently looks more cinematic. One of the most underrated upgrades might actually be the flexibility during travel shooting. Before, many creators carried both a pocket camera and a phone because they needed telephoto shots the Pocket couldn't deliver. With the Pocket 4 Pro, that gap almost disappears. You can shoot wide landscapes, medium portraits, tighter product shots, and compressed scenery all from one tiny device. That changes the entire convenience factor. And then there's D-Log 2. For casual users, it might not matter much. But for serious creators, this is huge. It gives more room for professional color grading, better matching with larger cinema cameras, and far greater flexibility during editing. Combined with the improved dynamic range, the Pocket 4 Pro starts feeling less like a consumer gadget and more like a legitimate filmmaking tool. Still, none of this means the regular Pocket 4 loses. In fact, it might remain the better-selling camera simply because it's more approachable. Not everyone needs cinematic telephoto compression. Not everyone color grades footage professionally. Not everyone wants a slightly heavier setup with shorter battery life. Some people just want the fastest, easiest camera possible. And DJI knows that. That's why these two cameras don't actually compete as directly as people think. They target two different types of creators. The Pocket 4 is for speed, portability, simplicity, and everyday shooting. The Pocket 4 Pro is for creators chasing a more cinematic visual style without carrying large camera gear. So, who wins? If you care about pure versatility, professional-looking visuals, portrait quality, and cinematic storytelling, the DJI Pocket 4 Pro wins. The telephoto lens changes everything. It transforms the Pocket from a simple vlog camera into a genuine multifocal length creative tool. For many creators, that alone makes it the biggest Pocket upgrade DJI has ever made. But if your priority is portability, battery life, comfort, and quick everyday shooting, the regular DJI Pocket 4 still makes an incredibly strong case. And honestly, that's what makes this battle so fascinating. For the first time, choosing between Pocket models isn't just about specs anymore. It's about how you actually see the world when you shoot.